Hi everyone, it's Laura the Quarantine Gardener, and just showing you Red Robin hedge, which is a lovely hedge that's just been cut back. I guess it's about maybe 100 metres long. And so again, you'll just see that this is the beauty of it. The new foliage is always that very vibrant red, and then it turns green. So choosing the time of year to prune it can be a bit tricky, because sometimes it means losing some of this gorgeous foliage. But yeah, there's another lovely one for hedging, evergreen. A bit spindly when it's young, but then it forms a lovely hedge and easy to maintain. Not too over vigorous, and again that beautiful contrast in foliage. And just to show you the base of the hedge, this had been quite overgrown, so as you can see here, the weeds would have been falling out over the edge. This is a hedge that's bordering a car park, and so those weeds, the whole length of that 100 metres, that were just flowing out over the side, so they've all been taken out and then just top it up with the gravel. Okay, so again, just to show you how something simple like going back that much of an edge, getting some fresh gravel, just gives it a nice attractive finish. Okay, so just to show you that, and there's the contrast, and it'll just help keep the weeds down as well. So mulches this time of year, which, whatever your choice may be, are really helpful. And also, as you can see there, just letting the ivy that is growing under the hedge, just letting that naturalise to a certain amount. And some of the wildflowers that are self-seeded, like Aquilegia, obviously I've left in. So trying to encourage those species that, you know, are attractive and also very good for biodiversity. Ivy is one of the best. And also then just to have that edge finish. Okay everybody, that's it for today. Again, happy gardening, take care.